Hello. So this is Trisha's art studio, and I'm going to talk to you about a creative idea that I started a couple of weeks ago, and that is the Easter Island statue, and I'm making progress with it. If you saw the first video, it was telling you about the way I started to make it out of cardboard boxes and insulation board. And now I've moved on and I've covered it with kind of paper mache with newspaper, and just sticking on layers and layers of newspaper and wallpaper, and also brown paper, with obviously using wallpaper paste. And this is it. I don't feel like giving him a name, but or her, could be a her. But we just call him, her, we call her Easter. So on that note, my next video could be when I've finished it and it actually in somebody's garden. So this is Trisha's video of the Easter Island statue building. I hope all you viewers across the world are seeing this, and if you want to post a comment, please do, because I'm interested to hear what you've got to say. Or subscribe, because that's what you have to do. You have to say to people, subscribe. Subscribe to Trisha's idiotic ideas. Okay, bye. Bye.